Hey everyone, my name is Junyi, and this is my first time to attend Hackthon. So yeah, um, let's just start. Today I was doing on the quick evaluation on candidates. So why would we do that? Because hiring is a crucial part for companies, and it is also a time-consuming work. Basically, every corporation's HR department finds it difficult to discover the appropriate candidates among thousands of resumes efficiently. Yes, so this hackathon idea is to find a quicker and easy way for job posters to discover the talent candidates. Mm, why do we need quick evaluations? Because the resumes are usually long and takes a lot of time to read. Think what if the job posters or companies can look at one map and know these candidates' abilities, then it will be very much short time for them to decide if this candidate is suitable for them or not. So quick evaluation can know the candidate's ability by just one look, and it is also can save time and efficient. And if the company is interested, then he or she can go to the detailed resume to see to see more detail about this candidate. So how to do this? Mm, yeah, I think this can be divided into three parts. First part is to prepare data for processing, um, like what kind of value we wanted from this candidate, like the education or working experience. This is something we want to know about this candidate. We want to know if he has or she has been working for many years, or if he or she has a very good education background. So the first thing to do is to prepare the data for processing. Also, or namely CV parsing to get the value we wanted. The second thing is to do the data quantization. This thing is to use when we get the value from the candidates. It could be like the universities. It could be some universities, but how can we evaluate this university to be good or bad? So we need a method to do the quantization. Usually, it will take some research or some better way of doing this, but this time we just use a simple way to do the quantization. And the last thing is to visualize it is the visualization to make the data more clear to the company or to the HR department. So for the CV passing, there are many existing solutions for passing candidates' resume, and I this time I choose to use the CB's resume pass and normalized API, our own API. The URL is http api.careerbuilder.com core passing normalized resume, and the method is post. Sorry. And the request data include two parts. One is the candidate's resume in the document variables. It should be in a base 64 encoded string. Also, there should be one property named desired enrichments. It's the property or value we want from the API, like the company norm, geocoding, job level, job title. It is the value we want from these candidates. So when we get the data we want, we need to decide which value should be used for the assess criterion. There are, I think, there are usually three parts for assessing a candidate. It can be work ability, including work year, project number, job level, and education level, which including the university he or she is studying, the GPA he get when he study, degree, like this candidate is a master or a doctor, the research numbers, something, etc. And also is the soft skills, including the language level, communication skills. This could be hard to determine. And also computer skills, especially for developers. Yeah, there are other criterions may be critical in some of the areas. For example, the medicine area or the lawyer area. Um, the company may want something different, but it's something different from the common criterions. So in this Hackthon idea, we just deal with the workability, education level, or soft skills. So uh, con- data quantization, get how to give marks uh, on the value we get from the API. So in this Hackthon idea, I use a simple methodology to do this. Is to make each criteria 100 point. For example, the work year, like if the person is work 10 years or more than 10 years, then this area is marked 100. If the candidate worked just 1 or 2 years, it times 10 to be 10 or 20. So by this means we can give marks on different criteria. Uh, the project number and job level are the same. For the university, it is a little bit different um, because it actually didn't have a um, very apparent comparing. So we use the university ranking of worldwide to give marks. So in the end, how to visualize the outcome? Uh, in this project, I use a radar chat to show the candidate's ability, like in the following pictures. Yes, this one. From this map, we can see Betty has a very strong uh, language English uh, ability and have a very high GPA, and also in a very famous university, which can lead her a very strong learning abilities. And also, she's very suitable for the international companies because she has a very good English level. So, for the future things to do, I think if we want to do more, I think maybe later the user can select assess criterions by her own or define one he or she wanted. Also, multiple candidates can compare together. So let's see how it works. I have a copy of Bessie, uh, her CV, and we can put it in this one and submit. And then we can get a radar map of the Betty's quality. Yeah, now it's just work like this. Thank you.